Well, our spring warm-up certainly commenced today. There is the view from the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport. Yes, we've had some scattered clouds throughout the day. We had more this morning, but that's the leading edge of this warm air mass that's unfolded here. And you may have seen a sprinkle earlier. Most of the lighter showers really farther north of the region. Let's take a look at our numbers currently. We're 75 at the airport, made it up to 79 today. So that's 16 degrees above average, making it feel more like late May and not late March. 75 there in Madison, 77 currently in Palmyra and Dillon, and we've got some middle 70s from Waynesboro to Stanton, 70 right now in Harrisonburg. Those southerly winds here are going to keep temperatures elevated tonight. Mentioned that there were some showers mainly to our north. You can see some activity along the I-66 corridor and up toward Washington. Farther south, we had some clouds earlier and a few sprinkles. That was about it, but that was the warm front that continued to lift off to the north here this afternoon. Temperatures overnight, mid to upper 50s, quite mild for a March overnight, and that's our launching point for tomorrow's highs. Most of us will see numbers in the low 80s, so that'll be our warmest day so far of the calendar year thus far. We'll likely start out with a lot of clouds and then see some sun. So a mix of clouds and sun. It's warm, it's breezy. We'll have some gusts around 20 or so at times. And then on Sunday, we'll be back in the 70s, but the afternoon and evening we'll at least see some scattered showers arrive. That sets the stage for the next big thing, and hence a first alert weather day for Monday for the potential of a few severe thunderstorms. The main threat being damaging wind gusts, much lower some hail, and even lower, but not completely zero, an isolated quick-lived spin-up tornado. As far as Monday, the front's still out to our west in the morning. We'll have some daytime heating out ahead of it, and then that'll interact with some strong winds aloft that could trigger a few strong to severe thunderstorms and hopefully some beneficial rain. We'd certainly need that. And right now, estimates of anywhere from a half to maybe an inch of rain, but any storm can produce localized higher amounts. So we have high pressure offshore, a warm front that's just to our north. The storm that's not yet materialized is coming off the Rockies, and that will help pull some of this moisture right up out of the Gulf. Some severe weather across Texas, Louisiana right now, and from the Central Plains tomorrow, and then on Sunday across portions of the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley. That'll be the outlook area for severe weather, areas like Indianapolis and down toward Memphis and Little Rock. By Monday, that system will push east along the eastern seaboard. The ingredients will be a little bit different, but still the potential for some severe storms. In the morning, we start in the 50s. We'll mix out with some sun. Again, low 80s for most locations. And then Sunday, a lot of clouds around. Temperatures in the morning, either side of 60. Certainly, you'll feel a little bit more humid. And there'll be some scattered showers as we head to the afternoon and evening. And then we'll watch that storm for that frontal system in here for Monday. So partly cloudy, mild tonight. We're in the 50s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A warm finish to March and kind of ending on a stormy note. So maybe out like a lion here on Monday. And then we're more seasonable here for the first couple days of April with some shower opportunities and warmer temperatures return by the end of next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
And a check